The health of our cells strongly influences our overall health, and our cells are continuously damaged by environmental exposure. Even the simple act of eating a meal can result in the formation of free radicals. Free radicals can damage cell components like DNA and trigger a normal inflammatory reaction thought to contribute to cellular aging. Vivix, exclusively from Shaklee, harnesses the power of polyphenols to slow aging at the cellular level.
We were looking at the different ways that these polyphenols could protect the cells in your body from various forms of damage. Damage to the proteins, damage to the mitochondria, damage to the DNA.
Polyphenols actually act within your cells to help them kind of build their strength up to protect themselves from an insult.
A group of scientists led by Dr. Laurel Fisher, an MIT-trained neuroscientist, dove deeper into the effects different polyphenols have on our cells and developed Vivix, a triple patented blend of polyphenols.
We found, searching through hundreds of ingredients, that there were certain types of polyphenols that were able to prevent age protein formation better than others. And this is age protein formation in laboratory studies. It was through kind of that progression of studies that we started to see what ingredients and what polyphenols do we think are most important for that benefit.
With the creation of muscadine grape extract in the Shaklee labs, it was possible to craft a blend of polyphenols 13 times more powerful than resveratrol alone at slowing the formation of AGE proteins.
We now know, and the research continues to support the fact, that while resveratrol is important, having a broad spectrum of polyphenols actually brings even more benefits to that cellular protection story.
Vivix is designed to help keep your cells vital and strong and helps your cells repair and protect against DNA damage. Vivix contains a patented all-natural polyphenol blend with no artificial flavors, sweeteners, or preservatives. And it's now available in a liquid gel for ease of use. 2 liquid gels contain the same amount of diverse polyphenols as a teaspoon of Vivix liquid.
We now have Vivix in a unit dose form, easy to swallow, more transportable, has all of the goodness of the polyphenols of that formulation.
We've had to find a way to turn the liquid muscadine extract into a powder without damaging any of the polyphenols, with maintaining the full profile and broad spectrum of polyphenols.
With the creation of the Vivix liquid gel, Shaklee has also been able to combine it in the Life Strip, along with Shaklee's advanced multivitamin Vitaly Life, and a complete array of omega-3s, providing 1 gram of EPA and DHA for heart health, and the patented B+C complex. It's the best, most comprehensive nutritional system in the world.
Polyphenols is something that we felt were important to add into this Life Strip. So most people think about vitamins and minerals as being kind of the basics of what they need, but we're starting to see more and more, and it's making us as scientists believe that the idea of daily intake of polyphenols could be really important because of the way they affect your cellular health.
Feel younger, longer with Vivix. Now more powerful in liquid, liquid gels, and in the Shaklee Life Strip.